Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 protection definition update failed. First method is open File Explorer, check free space in C drive. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Date and Time. Click Change Date and Time. Update Internet Time. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click Windows Defender, open Disable Anti-Spyware, change value data to 0. Close and exit Registry Editor. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC. Select Keep My Files. Click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.